Finding minor key signatures, or knowing what sharps and flats you've got in your minor key. So let's review for a moment. Relative keys are a minor third apart and have the same key signature, where the relative major will be a minor third higher than the relative minor. Parallel minors have the same tonic and have different key signatures, and particularly parallel minors are going to have 3 more flats and or 3 fewer sharps than their parallel major cousins. Now in the last video, we found that A flat major is the relative major to F minor. We did this by counting up 3 half steps from F to get A flat. And this means that A flat that has 4 flats is going to have the same key signature as F minor. So F minor will also have 4 flats because these are relative keys. And because of this minor third relationship, we can construct a minor key circle of fifths that aligns with the major key circle of fifths. And since these are a third apart, we're going to have concentric circles where the relative major keys are going to be a minor third higher than the relative minor keys in the circle of fifths. Or something like this, where C has the same key signature as A minor, G major has the same key signature as E minor, and E is a minor third down from G. A is a minor third down from C. And so this all together will look like this, where you've got your major keys and your minor keys having the same key signature when you align the circle of fifths in order to have the minor keys a minor third down from the major keys. But we can also figure out key signatures by using parallel relationships. Parallel minors have 3 more flats and or 3 fewer sharps than their major cousins. So for instance, what's the parallel minor of F major? Well, it's going to be F minor, the same tonic. Now how do we convert an F major scale into an F minor scale? We will add 3 flats or subtract 3 sharps. Now before we do this, let's remember that the order of flats is B, E, A, D, G, C, F, and remember that F major has 1 flat. So if F major has 1 flat, it's going to be B flat, the first flat in the order of flats. And if we add 3 flats, we will follow the order of flats. And we already had B, and so we're going to add E, A, and D. And so a F minor scale will have B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat, thus making F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D flat, and E flat. And you can use this to find key signatures as well. If F major has 1 flat, F minor will have 3 more flats. 1 plus 3 equals 4. And so we're going to take B, E, A, and D, 4 flats, and therefore F minor will have 4 flats, B, E, A, and D. Now let's try it with the sharp key. B major has 5 sharps. To get from major to its parallel minor, you're going to add 3 flats and or subtract 3 sharps. 5 minus 3, we're subtracting 3 sharps, equals 2. So B minor will have 2 sharps, and if we follow the order of sharps, those would be F and G. So if B major has 5 sharps, and we take out those last 3, B minor will have 2 sharps, and those will be F and C. Now as a review, what would be B minor's relative major? That is, what major key has 2 sharps? Well, we can go up a minor third from B, or we can just remember that D major has 2 sharps in it. Now, when you run out of sharps to subtract, you need to start adding flats. So, what's the parallel minor of G major? It's going to be G minor. And how do we convert a G major scale into a G minor scale? Well, we'll add 3 flats / subtract 3 sharps. So G major has 1 sharp, so we subtract that 1 sharp. Goodbye, F sharp. But since we've run out of sharps, we now need to add flats. So we've done one thing, and so we need to take away 2 more things. So we take the first 2 flats from the order of flats, B flat and E flat. So we take away 1 sharp, and then we add 2 flats, having done 3 total operations. And so that gets us G, A, B flat, C, D, E flat, F, and G. So if G major has 1 sharp, G minor will have two flats, as we have subtracted one sharp and added two flats.